greatest teams and the best drivers have assembled with a worldwide audience, and we are absolutely nowhere near London. This is round 3 of the Team Demolition Derby Tournament of Destruction at Route 66 Raceway. A worldwide audience is watching us, the Tournament of Destruction, and we have 2 extra camera crews here tonight besides us. Speed TV and Siskel Jacobs Productions, plus an anticipated another sold-out crowd ready to watch all the action that only Team Demo can deliver. Reckoning now sits atop the standings ahead of Mean Green Machine, and we are standing by Damage Inc., the absolute surprise so far this year, sitting also right behind the leaders. And we are entering must-win situations for the teams at the bottom. They've got to move up tonight, or August and September could be real dreadful. Team Demo round 3 coming at you now.
Have a good time, my friend. All right.
We're going to be viewing all the action for you from one of our brand new angles, a scissor lift provided by Overhead Material Handling Illinois Incorporated. We thank them for helping us out and giving a new view to the action. Round 1 coming up next. Vanderbilt, inches away from the finish line, not giving the checkered flag. I mean, it's so close. And Jay Van Allen comes back and takes the win for Full Throttle. Amazing race. Kahuna and Levi Turnbull bumper to bumper for over 3 laps. talk to Ron first. Carl, you don't go anywhere. We'll talk to both of you guys. Well, I think I found where that Thunderbird motor ended up, but man, that thing was flying.
It was nice. It was nice. It's really nice to drive a car like that. It's you feel confident, you know.
You're a running machine. You've been running like crazy all this year, and then, man, you took a hit. Back end jacks up, and you guys escaped that first round. But what a fight!
Yeah, we escaped it all right. We escaped it. He got me good. I'm lucky I got around the track like I did that time. My crushers helped. I mean, they definitely got a lot of off my back. You know, it was great. That's all I could say. Thanks for the sponsors. I want to thank Gustavo's my main helper. Just thanks to everybody that deals with my crap because I'm doing this.
Orange Crush with that win moves up into the tie for second place with the points. Reckoning still holds the lead, but no one is in safe woods so far in the top of the standings. Next month, on round 4 is amateur night. First time ever, Team Demo Racers will compete in a 5-on-5 match. Going to be absolutely crazy to see some new blood hitting the track. Thanks again to our sold-out crowd tonight at Route 66 Raceway. Fans here from Brazil tonight. absolutely a worldwide presence of Team Demo. Thanks to Siskel Jacobs, Speed Channel, and our sponsor site, Material Handling Illinois Incorporated, for the scissor lift, helping us out with a new view. We definitely appreciate it. We'll catch you next month for round 4 of the Tournament of Destruction.